Greetings everyone. My name is Cadet First Lieutenant Anthony D. Samson, 3rd class, and I stand before you today with a full heart of determination and mind eager to embark on the journey of becoming a cadet. I am honored to have this opportunity to express my inspirations and share my commitment to service, growth, and excellence. From a young age, I have been captivated by the principles of discipline, leadership, and teamwork. These values have guided me through various endeavors, shaping my character and instilling in me a sense of duty towards my community and country. The cadetship represents not just a chance for personal advancement, but a profound commitment to something greater than oneself. It is a call to service with integrity, to lead, empathy, and to excel the perseverance. As an aspiring cadet, I am ready to embrace this calling wholeheartedly. I believe that cadetship offers a unique opportunity to cultivate essential skills and foster invaluable relationships. It is a platform where I can learn from experienced mentors, engage in meaningful projects, and contribute to positive change in my environment. Moreover, I am keenly aware of the challenges and responsibilities that come with being a cadet. I am prepared to face them head on with humility and resilience. I understand that the journey ahead will embark sacrifice, dedication, and continuous learning. Yet, I am underrated, for I know that the rewards of service far outweigh the obstacles. In closing, I want to express my deepest gratitude for considering my application. I am inspired by the legacy of past cadets and humbled by the opportunity to follow in their footsteps. With your support and guidance, I am confident that I can make a meaningful contribution to the Cadet Corps and uphold the values it stands for.